Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you appeal a P2P error into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to appeal P2P error or dispute, you just simply have to open your Binance, and after that you simply go over this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there and select P2P from recommended section. Now, after selecting the P2P, you just simply have to select your P2P profile at the bottom right corner. Now, after going into here, you will get to see this Restriction Removal Center. Tap into Restriction Removal Center, and into here, you will get to see Frozen Assets and Suspended Function. Now, you have suspended features or functions or frozen assets into P2P. It will show into here, and when you open that asset, it will give you all the details and option to appeal your P2P dispute. Just simply tap to appeal, and after that you can give all the informations and details required and tap to send or submit, and Binance P2P support will get your request. And after that, the support team will respond to you as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.